Hey guys, welcome back again. I know it's been very long, like 1 to 2 years, but yeah, still I am back with a new video. So this is just a comeback video, and I'll be discussing some key points in this video. So listen to that very carefully. Just 5 main points. I'll keep this video very short and sweet. So yeah, let's get started. So today I'll be discussing just 5 key points, so which are very short to discuss. Only 5. So the first thing will be about the upcoming projects, okay? I'll try to make a calendar on what projects I'll be doing in the future, like in the virtuoso bootcamp or in the web development bootcamp or anything. So yeah, gaming is still on hold because I've lost my Xbox subscription like 2 to 3 months ago. So it is on hold. I'll make sure I'll come back with a new game. So yeah, in the virtuoso bootcamp, I'm planning 2-3 videos to be done very soon. And in the web development it may take some time. So this is about my upcoming projects. So yeah, I'll make a video on that in 2 to 3 days of time. I'll need 2 to 3 days of time. I'll give you a clear picture of my upcoming projects, okay? The next thing I want to discuss about is our Discord channel. So previously 1 year ago we were having like 280 to 285 active people, but now only 2 to 3 active people, which are mods and administrators. Everyone is offline and the server is completely dead. So yeah, I've created a new Discord channel and the link will be given in the description. So link will be given in the description, so please check that out and please do join our Discord server. So maintaining Discord is very hard. That's why I need some of your help to get more people and then to manage the server. We also have 2 to 3 moderators now in the server and I am the administrator there. So yeah, please do join that. And the third thing I want to discuss here about is our website. See, we have built a website using WordPress, I know, which is very dumb. So we are looking out for a web DevOps over there and we need your help, guys. We are planning to make a professional, fully functional website in a month or 2. So yeah, we need your help to build a website which is fully functional, which includes live chat functions and inbuilt mail function, okay? And the fourth thing I want to discuss here about is the major update in the Helican explanations channel, which is Telugu content. I'll be uploading Telugu content also, so it will be having some more reach. Some people may be comfortable with the Telugu videos programming. So yeah, I'll try to dub my videos in Telugu also. That won't be a problem. This will also take some time, like month or 2. So rough figure, let's make it 1 month, okay? I have to deal with my college also. So yeah, that's why 1 month. And the fifth thing is about Helifam originals. So this is, no one knows about this, but yeah, please listen to this carefully. Helifam originals is a section in our Helican explanations where the Helican explanations family will be creating YouTube videos on their own. The credits goes to them, everything will be about them itself, but the video which they are creating will be published through our channel. So if you want to collab with us and if you want to make project with us and if you want to get in touch with us, please do join our Discord server to get in contact with a day-to-day basis, and then We also require a web DevOps or any professional website building subscription so that we could publish a better website which is fully functioning. And yeah, these are the 5 keynotes I have mentioned. And yeah, that's it. So please make sure to join our Discord channel. I'm saying it again and again. We don't have much members. I think some 10 to 18 members are there, in which 8 bots are there. Okay, so see that stats. And previously we used to have 280 members, and now 18 members. So please, guys, please do join our Discord server. That's my request, only request. And yeah, don't worry, my upcoming projects calendar will be published in the YouTube channel and in my website in 2 to 3 days. Just give me 2 to 3 days and I'll give you a clear picture on the upcoming projects in our YouTube channel. Okay, so yeah, please do subscribe and like this video. I literally need 1k subscribers to get more reach in the YouTube channel. YouTube studio, they are showing me 4000 watch hours to get more reach. So 4000 watch hours is literally impossible. So I need 1k subscribers at least to get more reach. So please do subscribe my channel. And then signing off.